ASG Precision Fastening X-PAQ system is a torque and angle controlled brushless DC electric tool system. The focus of this system is to offer an affordable precision torque control and data management system with intuitive and user-friendly programming. The X-PAQ system consists of two main components, the X-PAQ controller and the SD2500 DC electric screwdriver or nut runner. The controller features a large color touchscreen for intuitive setup, eliminating the need for external software. A variety of integration options are possible. Some features and benefits of the X-PAQ controller are task storage keys for multiple assembly setups, multi-bolt programmable fastening, data collection and rundown graphing, and the ability to easily import and export task files with a USB drive. With a sleek aluminum body and high-intensity LED tool indicator lights, the X-PAQ SD2500 screwdrivers and nut runners are premium quality transducerized DC electric tools. ASG offers inline screwdrivers with push, lever, or remote start, as well as right-angle nut runners. Fixture mount models with a threaded end are available for automated or robotic applications. This tool contains a brushless motor for unparalleled clean, quiet, and accurate operation. The ASG line of DC electric torque control screwdrivers and nut runners work with the X-PAQ controllers for applications covering a torque range from 1 to 308 inch-pounds or 0.1 to 35 newton-meters across the series. This product fills the needs of manufacturers requiring tight tolerances, high levels of error proofing, and traceability.